How to leave a Viber group. In this video, I'm going to show you how to leave a Viber group if you don't want to be part of that particular group anymore. It is super simple, so without any further ado, let's get started with the video. First thing first, tap open your Viber app on your device and make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you are inside the Viber app, tap onto that particular group that you want to leave. Once you are inside the chat, tap onto the three dot icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then tap on the chat info. Once you tap on chat info, a new interference will appear on your screen. Scroll all the way down till you see leave and delete option or leave and delete silently option. You can choose any of it, both are similar, except leave and delete means other person in the group will be notified that you left the group. Leave and delete silently won't notify your group members that you left the group. Choose any of it. A confirmation message will pop up on your screen. Tap on leave and delete. And that's it. That's how you can leave a group quickly and simply. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit on that like and subscribe button, and also hit on the notification bell icon so that you won't miss any of our upcoming videos. That's all for today, and I'll see you in the next video.